Exceptional. The staff exhibited professionalism and delivered excellent service, evident through their ongoing training efforts. Tight security measures provide a sense of safety for guests. Overall excellence. Exceptional. The room was great, as expected. Exceptional. Best hotel in Shanghai. Exceptional. Excellent location with clean big rooms. Breakfast was excellent. A good historical place. If you want to live in history, it's a good place. Definitively the place to stay in Shanghai. I would like to draw the attention on the very professional, nice, helpful staff. Real pleasure to stay in this hotel. Looking back to the past, nostalgia. Excellent. Everything was perfect. Excellent. I cannot say one negative thing about my recent experience at this hotel. The staff were professional, knowledgeable and courteous. The hotel is absolutely stunning. What an amazing experience. Well done, Fairmont Peace Hotel. Absolutely pleasant. Friendly staffs, very attentive. Room was very clean and elegant. Great location, 1 minute to the Bund and close to train station. Great experience, we'll be back for sure. Nice and worth of stay hotel. We are pleasured to book Fairmont Gold Room accessible to the Gold Lounge for 3 nights. The hotel located walking distance to the Bund. The scenery of the Bund is the must to visit in Shanghai. The room is clean and spacious. We enjoyed breakfast as well as the afternoon tea and evening cocktails offered by the Hotel Gold Lounge. This is truly a worth of stay to us and we will definitely go back. Wish all hotel will be like this. Prefect room, location is the best, facilities are exceptional and the employee were all very thoughtful. We couldn't dream of a better place to stay in Shanghai. This hotel deserves his reputation.